Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see this special type of the grid line called golden spiral, I believe. And I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual and the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. So let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find a restore defaults option. So let's tap on restore defaults, and actually nothing happened, and nothing even flashed or blinked. So we can go back to the camera and check. And as you can see, this is the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because the camera is asking about the permission for the location info. So let me simply tap on allow, and only this time. And as you can see, let's take a look at the camera. So we cannot see the golden spiral, which means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Realme GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.